channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Georgie and I do videos 3 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday and Sundays. So in today's video I want to show you how I did this gorgeous 2-piece set. I will stand up for you to show you. So as you can see, I will go outside to show you probably a bit better. But this dress was like Missguided old dress. I'm not sure where was this from. I think I got it, one of my friends, she gave it to me. I'm not sure if I bought it or it's really old. It's really comfortable and it was really boring as well. So I was like, I got an idea. I might need to refresh it just because it was really boring and I never really wear it because I didn't have a chance to wear it. It wasn't that like nice in my opinion, and I thought I need to touch that dress. So I made a small clip for you to show you how I did it, and I hope you enjoy this video as well.
So as you can see, it's really unflattering on me. Also, it's really elastic material and doesn't give me any shape as well, unfortunately, and it's too long as well. So just to show you how it looks, I just put it on the floor and cut it through where is that line, but just be careful, you want that straight. Keep it straight and cut it straight if you can, and also ignore my scissors, it's really small. Yeah, try to show you what type of material it is. It's quite see-through, so you just bear that in mind. It's not really good to work with, and also you can try to fold in 2 or in 3, depends, but also just to make sure you leave some room for your elastic as well, because you want to put elastic through. You can, if you have a sewing machine, you can sew with the sewing machine or with your hand, it doesn't matter. With sewing machine it's easier, and try to pull the material because it's really stretchy as well. And yeah, I used for the top I used really thin elastic, and for the bottom I used a bit thick elastic just to give me that. And yeah, this is the final look. It's really comfortable, it gives him better shape, and also it's just perfect. You can put any belt, accessorize, whatever you want to play with, and yeah, it looks lovely.
My own clothes and changing it and doing different style or different design, just because I feel like I wear my own design clothes kind of, and nobody else have what I wear, so it's not, nobody else can have what I'm wearing kind of. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked this video and support me, subscribe to my channel if you didn't subscribe yet, and also follow me on Instagram, Twitter and all that good stuff. And until next time, send you all my love, lots of kisses. Bye.